Not too many words in English like that. Today's weather. What do we have?
Raining. Cloudy.
I look out here and I see not big puffy clouds that look like cotton balls, but I see clouds all over, but not big ones. So we can't say no clouds. When I look here, I see that's the sun. But it doesn't look like round like this, it's just a big circle. So it would say, it's not a clear sunny day, but it's some sun and some clouds. Both sunny and cloudy at the same time. So the other thing we can say about today, let's see who remembers this. Very humid.
Mix some sun and some cloud.
Mixed.
Sun and cloud.
So very humid. It is very humid today. What is that? What does humid mean? Who remembers? Humid weather has high humidity in the air. Usually we say
or more.
High humidity.
50 or more is considered humid.
Very low.
What happens if you have
High humidity.
Good percent. Very dry. If you go to the desert, do we all know the desert? Desert.
Yeah.
What is a desert?
Sahara.
Sahara Desert, the Gobi Desert, the Sonoma Desert. No water. No water coming down. Dry. Everything is dry. You go there, your skin gets very dry, your lips. You need to put chapstick on, your skin gets burned, very dry. So today is a humid day, and what is expected? What can we expect today? Does anyone hear the news? Expecting more rain. Rain expected. Rain expected. Rain expected on and off. What does that mean? On and off. I said, on and off rain today. What does that mean? Yes, rain, stop. Put away your umbrella. Go outside, no umbrella. Oh! Rain. On and off. So it's kind of the way people in USA tell about what's going to happen. This morning, I looked at the news and I heard that during the night in California, do we all know California?
Yes.
They had an earthquake.
How?
Do we know earthquake?
Yeah.
No. What is an earthquake?
Shaking.
Shaking of the earth.
Yeah.
Yeah. Not a big one. And I don't think buildings went down. There was an earthquake not long ago in Afghanistan. Do we know Afghanistan? What happened? What happened in Afghanistan?
Fall down.
What happened to the houses?
Fall down maybe.
And what are their houses made from?
Wood.
What kind of houses?
Wood.
Some, but rocks, cement, very heavy.
Oh, that.
Many thousands of people killed by that earthquake. Certain parts of the world have more earthquakes than others. Places on the planet that have mountains. Usually by mountains, there is frequently earthquakes. Sometimes we forget that sometimes we have mountains that we can look out and see, oh, huge mountain, how beautiful, snow on top. But we also have mountains under the ocean. Oh, you can't see them. And there are mountains under the ocean that are very big mountains. So that was on the news today. We will talk more about geography. We had two things here. One was this one. Did we all get this one?
Yes.
But this was the one. I'm hoping I gave this to you last week. Anyone get this one?
No. Oh yeah. Yes.
Yes?
Yes.
Yes. You have this one. Do you have some of these? Okay, I'm going to tell her to make more copies of this. Pardon? You have it?
No.
You don't?
No. Already had. You can give me.
Clipboard. He has it. Extra. Oh, we're happy to have you. Sleep is important. Sleep is very important. She's making more copies, but before we do that, Max. A globe. Notice it's circular. So notice that there are lines here, and the lines are narrow, wide, and narrow again. Up here, distance between these, they don't need to do that. But it's measuring the longitude. So look at these maps. That's a globe map. This is a flat map. Flat. This is a flat map, but also it's called a Mercator map. It tells us the same information, but it just looks different. Notice all the lines are the same apart. Longitude lines. All of them are the same, from top to bottom. On this one, they are not. But you can't make this flat like making something on a table to look at. You can't do it because it's a globe, like a basketball. So this map is a flat map, but it's a small area, not a big area like this one. So it's a flat map, and it has the information on it. But we have to remember that sometimes when they do this, that some things we have to understand they can't show. So this is a map, a flat map of the United States. And how many states are there?
50.
Do we agree?
50.
Is there 51?
No.
Is Canada a state?
No.
50 states. Well, what's this? What over here? It's not down here by Mexico. It's over there somewhere off of Canada. But for a flat map, they want to show us what it looks like, and we have to figure out where it is on a map. So the other thing we have to, and there's Alaska and also Hawaii. Hawaii. State. Do you know anything about Hawaii? What's it like in Hawaii? What's it like? Like Michigan? Winter, summer, fall, spring? Yes? Someone say yes? My brother-in-law and his family live in Hawaii. Every day is the same. Every day. The sun comes up, it rains. Shh. Stops. Sun comes out. Next day, same thing. Every day a little bit of rain, and then sun. Never cold. If you live in Hawaii, it does not have a winter or a fall. So same temperature pretty much the whole year along. So Hawaii is not down here by Mexico. It's out here in the ocean. And Hawaii is made up of many islands. They only give you a few. Islands. Do you remember the word island? It's island, no S sound, but spelled with an S. I don't want to take this time just yet. So let's take a look here at this map. Up here we have what country? Can you see it? Canada. Down here we have Mexico. They border the U.S. Alaska over here borders next to Canada. And so notice that we have, thank you so much. This is this one. Who needs one of these? 50 states. Good? One more. You're good? Next row. Good? Do you need one? No? Good? Okay. This is a different way of showing the two extra states off to the side. So let's take a look at this map and let's find us. We're going to find Michigan. Right here. We see Michigan? Michigan is a Native American word, Michigan. Michigan is not European name. It's Native American with Roman or Latin, Greek letters. But Michigan, land of many lakes. That's what it means, Michigan. And so we have Lake Michigan, Lake Superior. What does that mean, Superior?
Best, superior. Best.
The best, the biggest, yes. Lake Huron.
Yeah, Lake Huron.
Huron is also a Native American word. Lake Erie. If you go to Detroit or downriver, you will see turns into a big lake again, Lake Erie. And then, of course, Lake Ontario. Lake Ontario. Ontario gets its name from Canada. This is Canada, the province of Ontario. There it gets its name. But 4 of these touch Michigan. 1, 2, 3, 4. There are 5 altogether. One of them doesn't touch Michigan, but it's one of the 5 Great Lakes. What is special about the Great Lakes? Why is it special?
Special.
Look at all this water. Water everywhere. Look, so much water. Why this is special? What?
Drinking water.
Drink water. We say salt water,
Yeah. Drinking water.
fresh water.
Fresh water.
Fresh water is another way of saying not salty ocean water, fresh water. So if I go to the supermarket and I am looking for fish, anyone here like fish? That's it? I like fish. There is saltwater fish, salmon, do you know salmon?
Yeah.
Tuna,
Yeah.
saltwater fish. Freshwater fish, like whitefish from here. They don't live in saltwater.
Yeah.
Freshwater, saltwater.
Saltwater. Yeah.
So, these 5 Great Lakes have fresh water. How much? 60%. 60% of the fresh water on the planet. More than half of the fresh water in lakes are from here. So that's pretty special. 60%. If you look at this, you will see some other big lakes over here in Russia. But most of the world, hey, come in and get you a chair. Can we put you, yeah, what, can we squeeze you in here? Does that work, or you can come up here? Is that good? Okay. So, notice that the United States is not an ancient country. People lived here for a long time, but not as the United States. The United States began as a country in 1776. And when it started, it didn't look like this. It was just this right here. That's it. 13 colonies, we'll talk about that. But over time, the United States expanded this way, and up to what is now Alaska and Hawaii. These two are became states when I was a kid in grade school. Notice in some places the boundaries of the states is just a straight line. right here. Just a straight line. That's a man-made line. If you are here, now you are in a different state. By a boundary line, like your neighbor. You're in your yard, you go like this. My neighbor's yard. My yard. My neighbor's. Back and forth. Some of these are natural boundaries. By nature. Look at this one. You see that dark blue line? That dark blue line is the Mississippi River. The Mississippi River. Have you heard of the Mississippi River?
Yes.
It's a big one, like the Nile River, the Ganges River. Huge river. So you look from one side to the other, maybe I can see it very wide. Not all of it. So this is the Mississippi River. This one, the Rio Grande River. Grande. Grand. What does grand mean?
Grand.
Big, great, like this one, superior. Another word to give us something special about it. But what's different about the Rio Grande is that the amount of water going into the Rio Grande every year,
Fall down.
yes, running out of water. This area is becoming more and more dry. So far, we're good up here with this, with our water. So that's a little preview. Now you have to remember that this, we're going to start with this one, the 50 states. And this is not new. This is from a book that is not up to date. So some of the information is not correct. Okay, and I'll point this out. Did everyone sign? Guys, did you sign? Did you sign? You did not sign. We'll do this a little bit backwards today. Turn it to the vocabulary on the back. Nation. You see nation? T-I-O-N, shun. What is a nation?
Country.
Another word for nation is country. Union.
Group.
Putting
Together.
things together. Next one, origin. Origin. Like original, it means beginning. Where did it start? Origin. If you are going to New York and you go to the airport, the origin of your trip is Detroit and your destination is New York. Origin. The next one, flatland. Like flat table. Next one is emblem. Emblem.
Symbol, sign.
A sign. I don't have an emblem on my shirt, but I have an emblem on my hat. A lobster from the ocean. Emblem. Next one is climate. You remember climate? Weather over time. Humid climate, dry climate, warm climate, Next one, it's identity. Name of something, it's identity. And of course, the last one, population. Counting number of people. You can use also animals. You can say, what is the population of birds? But usually we talk about the population of people. I want you to look at this on your own for a minute and see if you can answer on the back. Then we're going to read this together. My sign-in sheet is, just had it. Josh had it, pass it back. Now where is it? There it is. Okay. And then for those of you that came in after, who needs this one? The president. Habiba and Riposi. And over here, Tamina Chaudhry. Yes? Okay. Mer. Tamina and Mer. Alham. Zinab. And Iqbal. And Robina. Iqbal and Robina. Have to learn your names. After a weekend, I forget so many. Zohara, who goes by Maya, and Parveen, Gada, Yasmin, Adil, Sarah, Alika, Silwa, Saren, Anna, Shamina, Ilkas, Ruba, Bez, Scar, Sapat. I'm not saying it right. Sajal, that's a J. So I'm going to have trouble with that. I get it right. Sajal, I'm sorry. And Abdul. Maya. Dr. Dan. Give me 2 minutes and I'll be with you. Try this. What? Oh. We have some people. Deal? Do you have a phone number?
Yeah.
If you did not put your phone number, please pass this around. start today. Let's start with row 2. Oscar, start us off. Reading from this one, the 50 states. First paragraph. You. Sorry. Okay, nice and loud. Whoop. Up. Oh, and you don't have to stand, just loud voice.
The 50 states of the US, United States of or the US game.
U.S.
USA, yeah. Game that
Join.
join to my on the
Make what?
next one.
One nation. Make one nation.
The United States did not always have 50 states. And at first, there were
What's that number? 13.
13 years. The United States
Grew.
grew. More states came.
The joined.
Joined
The what? Joined the nation.
the last two states joined.
To join.
Alaska and Hawaii. The both joined in 1959.
1959.
The area
Okay, next one, Ibrahim. Next paragraph. Okay, before we do that, a couple words here that was on our vocabulary. The word nation. You may be asked that question. What nation are you from? What country are you from? Same meaning. The word join. New person comes in, they join the class. Join together, come together. When something is joined, put together, it's united. United. That's the verb. Unite. But when it's united, then it's called a union. One of our words from last week was plumber. Do you know plumber? What is a plumber?
Pipe fix.
A pipe fixer. Person who fixes pipes. Pipe. Pipe. I need to put them together. A special piece called a plumber's union for this. In your workplace, all the workers join together. We are one group. We ask for things together. A union of workers. So it's used in many different ways. Ibrahim, go ahead.
The area of the United States covers every type of land. There are certain
Forests.
forests, deserts, mountains, and flatland. The area of United States also covered every type of climate, aside of each state. Each state is different to Alaska. It's very
Different. Notice that is different to, comma, to. It means also.
also.
Yeah.
Okay, Alaska is the biggest state. Rhode Island is
Rhode Island. Notice S, but you don't hear it.
Rhode Island is the smallest state. Alaska is 500 times bigger than Rhode Island.
So, size, population, different things.
500.
So, which one has more people, Rhode Island or Alaska?
Rhode Island.
Rhode Island. Isn't there Rhode Island over here? Let's see if I can find it. Oh, look at this. The size of my end of my finger, that little green. Rhode Island, Alaska. More people here than here. If you're in Alaska, you're driving, it's 10 o'clock, it's 11 o'clock, it's 12 o'clock. Oh, a person, a house. You can go for many miles, and not everywhere, but there are cities there also, but there's people, but not as many. Parvez, next one.
About 250 million people live in the United States.
Here, wait. Mistake, because the book is old. Okay? 250 million?
People.
How many now?
330.
I think 360. 360 million. Go ahead, Parvez.
The people of the United States came from all over the world. People often name cities after where they came from. For example, in the United States, you find Paris, Rome, Delhi, and
Frankfurt.
The state with the highest population is California. The state with the lowest population is Alaska.
Biggest state, fewer people. Notice these names here, Paris. What country is that in? What country is Paris in? France. But there's a Paris, Texas. Rome, Italy. Delhi, Frankfurt,
Germany.
Germany. So people bring their names with them. So for example, you live in the city, most of you live in the city of Hamtramck. How did it get that name? Anyone know? A person. His last name was Hamtramck. Yes. And he came from France. It's a French word, Hamtramck. He came, had some land, named it after him. How about Detroit? Where is it from? But its name, the name. Where did that name come from? Remember, we talked about Michigan. Michigan is a Native American name.
Bowling.
It means Michigan is a Native American name. Many waters. Water. So it got that name, Michigan, from that. Detroit, over here, you see Detroit? It's a French name. Notice, if you took off the D-E, make a space, okay, another word, it means the straits. Detroit is the French, Detroit, where the water comes close together here in Detroit. So people bring names from other countries to where they live. Who is next? I'm doing this. Next paragraph.
Each state has its own name. The name gives the state its identity and personality. More than half the states have names from American Indian origin. Each state also has a flag with colors that have a special meaning for the state. The flag is the emblem or the symbol of the state. There is also a slate, flower, tree, and park.
I have a sheet for that, but I don't have a copy today. So remember, we have many different names here. And we have to remember that people who came to the U.S. first, this area, were Native Americans. Thousands of years. Then, people from Europe came. From England. You know England?
Yes.
France? Spain? Germany? You all know that? Now, Bangladesh, Yemen, Egypt. Anyone else today? Last week I had a new student from Mauritania. You know Mauritania?
Yes.
Where is Mauritania?
Africa.
Africa. Yeah, on the western coast of Africa. So we have people from many, many places. Some of these place names are from Europe, particularly from Spanish names, Mexican and Spanish, and also from England. So for example, we have a word here,
New York.
the state of New York. New York. Well, where is Old York? England. That NH, New Hampshire. Where is Old Hampshire? England. Yes. New Jersey. Old Jersey. England. English names. Carolina. One of the king's relatives. Think of Nice, Carolina. Is the name. Georgia. We have to remember that we have this word, this state called Georgia, but there's also a country that was part of the Soviet Union at one time, Georgia. And this is also from the king's family. This word, Florida. Florida. What do you think that word is from?
France.
Spain. Florida. This was a Spanish colony. New Mexico. Where is Old Mexico?
Mexico.
Mexico.
Yes. This, and this at one time was part of Mexico. Boundaries have changed. So many of these have Spanish names. Mexico was a colony of Spain. North and South Dakota. North and South. Dakota is a Native American name.
Michigan's Spanish name.
No, Michigan is a Native American name. Very old Michigan, that word. Minnesota, Native American name. Many of these names are for Native Americans. So it gives us an idea about the United States being a place where many people from many places over many years have come. And we have to remember that even before Europeans, Native American people lived here, and they did what people all over the world have done. They've moved and traveled. They live in one place and say, not enough water, not enough food, we need to move. They go to another place. Take everything they own and travel on. That's kind of the history of peoples all over the world. So let's go to the back side and notice there are eight underlined words or groups of words, and there are 8 words in the box on top. I want you to find the word in the box and write it above the one with the underlined word. Like number 1, the United States is a country of 50 states.
It's a nation.
Nation. Write the word nation. I give you a few minutes to do that. Then we'll read this together. Okay, let's read these together. Who did we have? Vilkes. Vilkes, number 1. Read, yeah.
Unit 5.
No, I'm number 1. Go to number 1.
The United States is a country of 50
50 states. What word can we use instead of country? Nation. Nation. Okay, next one, Shamina.
United States and most states join
And Hannah.
mountains and landwood is level and not high.
Land which is level and not high. What is that? Level land. And we forgot a number 2. What's the word instead of group? Union. Give me 1 second. I have to get some water. To get some temperature in here. It's getting humid and hot. Number 4. Type of what? Weather. What's another word for weather? Climate. Very good. Next one, number 5.
The state with the highest number of people is California population.
Population. Okay. Number 6.
More than half the states have varying form from America, India,
Beginnings. Origin. And number 7. Who's next? 7. Symbol. Symbol. Emblem. Number 8. Name to say what it is. Identity. So we use that word identification, ID, to show a name for someone, to show what it is. Let's look down here. Comprehension. The instruction here is circle the letter of the best answer. The letter of the best answer. Okay, number 1. Who's next?
Always 50 states.
Let's say, I want someone to read. Remind me, who's next? Mariah? Wait, hold on, I get the name. Pariah, is that correct?
Yeah.
Okay, read number 1.
The United States.
Let's read A, B, and C. I'd like to hear you read.
B.
What is A?
A.
Read A. Read, please.
Greyhound.
The world always 50 states.
Then B.
Has 50 states today.
And C.
Is the nation of 50 states.
That's a negative question. So which is the correct one? A, B, or C?
B.
I heard an A. I heard a B.
B.
Which is correct?
B.
B. Was not always 50.
Yes, first 30.
Yes. Okay. And today has 50 states. Malika? Oh, wait. Next to Haraya is, it's going this way.
No, this way.
What? We're going this way. Who's next? What?
Gada.
Gada. Wait, hold on. Give me a second. Oh, you signed on the back. Okay, go ahead, Gada.
The United States has about 250 million people.
B.
E.
Read B.
The United States has about 250 million people.
That's A. Now try B.
People from Europa and India worldwide.
And C.
The highest population in the world.
Okay, so what is the correct answer
A.
from the story?
A.
A. Even though the number is wrong, because the book is old. But from the story it said 250 million, so we'll go with that. But B and C, no good. Number, second one, B, when it says people are from Europe and India, that's true, but only. What does that mean?
Just one.
No one else. And that is false. And C, the highest population in the world.
No,
Highest population.
in China or India.
Yeah, India first,
Yes.
and China. Population. And next one. Next one. I got to find, I see your name.
Own name and flag.
Okay, go ahead. Read 3.
Each state has an American Indian name. B. More personality. C. Its own name and flag. Its own name and flag.
C. Each state has a name and it has a state flag. Also a bird, flower, other things, and I don't have that worksheet for you. A couple of takeaways here. We have to remember that when we talk about American Indian, now this, how we refer to people over time changes. American Indian is still used, but people that are American Indian people use their own name, their tribe. Their tribe, Anishinaabe, here in Michigan. That was the name of the tribe. So we often refer to them by the tribal name Anishinaabe and also by Native American. So if you hear the term Native American, it refers to the people who lived here before the Europeans, Native American. Because sometimes that can be confusing, because what do we call a person here in United States that's from India? Someone would say, oh, it's an Indian American from India. But Indian here in this country often refers to people that their families' origin came here many thousands of years ago. We know that the word India refers to the country of India. And how did it come here? Do we know that story? How did they call these people Indians? They're not from India. How do you think it happened? From India? They're not from India. How did it happen? Do you remember in history Christopher Columbus?
Yes.
Where did he come from? Well, he went to Cuba. Where was he born? He was born in Italy. But he wanted to sail in the ocean and make a lot of money. And he heard that there's new places. And Europeans were looking for a special kind of thing called gold. Well, he was born in Italy, but Italy was not a big country. It was cities. He wanted money, so he went to Spain. The king of Spain, who had lots of money, and said, I give you 3 ships to sail to see if you can find gold. And he did sail. He came. Here's Spain. There's no Delta airline, no airplanes. Sorry. Just this ocean. What's out there? No one knew. Maybe I go out there and I die. Very risky. So, here is Spain. You can see here. He traveled from Spain, going here. And where was he going? He was going to India to get rich. India was very rich. He wanted to go there. But there's a problem. Here's Spain. Here's India. Here's India. And this is in between. He landed here on these islands by Cuba. The small islands by Cuba. And he saw people there, and he said, this must be India. Wrong. They were not Indians. They were the people called the Taino, T-A-I-N-O, people that lived there. They'd lived there for thousands of years. And so that was how the term started. They called them Indians. They were little, short people. So why did not, here is India, and over here is Italy. Why didn't he go this little ways? He can go through here with a camel and horses. Why? Why not? What's in here? What? What?
Lot of tax.
Lot of what?
Tax. Tax. Money.
Oh, they had to. There's people there and said, you want to go here, pay me. If you don't pay me, and also mountains. You're on a horse. Mountain. Ah! Desert. No water. So they thought we can go on a boat, a ship. It would be good. They did not know how big the earth was at that time. So that's a little bit of history about the 50 states. There's one thing I was going to say about Christopher Columbus. Christopher Columbus took back, he was going to India, I think, for silk and dyes and special foods, jewelry, but they did find the Native American peoples used gold, not for money, but because they liked it was shiny. So that's one of the reasons why Europeans came, looking for treasure, for gold. Christopher Columbus. Let's go here, that's 50 states. I want to do this one. Today, we have
Yes.
time to do this?
Yes.
Who was next? Maya, you next? Read for us. Page 13. Read from the top. Unit 5. We all have it? Go ahead, Maya.
Do you want to be president of the United
Nope,
States?
the top. Read from the top.
The president of the United States. Who is the president of the United States? Do you know the name of the US presidents? What are they famous for?
There are 3 questions here. Let's go through the first one. Who is the president of the United States? Donald Trump. Next question. Do you know the names of other U.S. presidents?
Joe Biden. Obama.
Wait,
Obama.
hold on. Let's answer that question. We talked about that our first week. Do you know? There are 2 answers.
Yes, I do.
Yes, I do, or,
No, I do. I do.
but then we can add to it. So, do you know?
Yes,
Yes, I do. What president do you know?
Washington, Adams,
Anyone else? Obama? Joe Biden? Roosevelt? Your favorite president? Okay, but you asked me about information about this president before. Very famous man. Abraham Lincoln.
Abraham,
Yes.
he's
If you have the most famous presidents in the U.S., Or Washington, Abraham Lincoln. There's two for different reasons.
President of the people, for the people, and by the people.
So, what are they famous for? Many things, and we're going to discuss this when we talk about presidents. What does famous mean?
Like everybody know him.
They know them for a reason. Why do we know Abraham Lincoln?
Because you free the condom or
He- First president. Yes, first president of the United States, very famous for that. He kicked out the English, the Britain. Go away, King. Out. Very famous. What is Obama famous for? It's still in the paper every week. Obamacare. What is Obamacare? Insurance. Health insurance. Very famous. Abraham Lincoln. Why famous?
Because he united the two countries, North Carolina and South Carolina.
In 1860, this part of the U.S.
Yeah.
went to war with this part, killing each other. Civil War. Yes. And he said, we will be one country. One country.
One group of
The United States will not be two countries. One country. And he is famous for doing that, to keep it together, and also something else even more important. He was president when slavery in the United States, no more. No more. Do we know slavery?
Yeah.
What is it?
The
Slavery.
Black people would do.
In this country, it was black people. People who were owned by other people, not paid, treated not like human beings. And that was part of U.S. history in some states, not all states, some. And he said, and we will be reading about that because he's so famous. Notice here in this picture in the front, you will see up right here, that is an emblem. You will see this in many, many things showing the United States seal, the United States seal, the presidential seal. And on there you will see, this is not in color, but you will see the eagle, which is one of the symbols of the United States. And then down below that is a very famous building,
White House.
What?
the White House. Yes. Why is it the White House?
Washington. Washington.
Because it's white. Easy. And what's in the White House? Who lives there? Who lives there?
President.
The president and his
Wives.
family. We're going to read this tomorrow. Bring this back and then we'll go through the other side. Did everyone sign in? Did I get all your signatures? Yes? Okay. Let's see if we're going to need an umbrella. Let's check. Not raining. Yeah. No sun. Cloudy. See you tomorrow. See you Yes. Thank you. My sign-in sheet. Did anyone see my sign-in sheet? You want to move classes? My sign-in sheet. Yes. Oh, Thursday. No class on Thursday until we find another teacher. I'm looking for another teacher. Okay? Thank you.